umathi uNkulunkulu ngakwazi ungakabe esibelethweni sikama wakho okusho kunezinto abantu abazoyibona zenzeka physically kanti babona isiqalo kodwa isiphethe abakasibona nangizwisisa so into ekhona ukuthi uma ngabe sibhekana nezimo sibheka izimo sikhohle ukuthi izimo zizolwa nento oyiyo bese zona zikwenza ukukhuluma into ongayona zikushumayeza ungakafiki entweni yingakho makuthiwa khuluma ukuphila ungakafiki lapho kufanele ukuthi ube khona so iphutha esilenza sishunyayezwa izimo bese izimo zenza ukuthi sikhulume into esingayona yingakho kubalekile ukuthi ukhulume la uyakhona ubheka na into nani imoto ithi ihambe kumnyameni kodwa ikhanyise phambili ayibheki ubumnyama la ikhona khona kodwa iyakhanyisa ukuthi kuze ngifike la ngiyakhona kuba njalo mawukhuluma ukuphila kufanele ukuthi ulethe ilight ukuthi akukhanye lapho ngiyakhona mabunda angazi wena
sithi isilungu sibuda nawe siswami gratitude makes room for more. Now into abantu abayenzayo nayo we are too quick to complain and we too slow to appreciate and we forget ukuthi kunezinto esizibona zizincane kithina kanti kubanye abantu zinkulu the fact ukuthi mfethu umuntu usazihambela ngenyawo Gimina, it seems like it's a normal thing, but to someone out there, it's a prayer request that, Lord, only if I can have legs, I will be fine. So to someone that is constantly complaining, we are saying, you are only making matters to be worse. The only thing that you can rather do is to appreciate where you are. By appreciating where you are making God to open up doors for where you are going.
Amen.
Ngoba nayi uNkulunkulu akazwanga ukukhomplela kwabantwana baIsrael kodwa uzukhala okusho the moment ucomplain ubangela uNkulunkulu umsindo kodwa the moment ukhala uNkulunkulu is more like iattention uyakunikeza yona you understand so bengicela uyishintshe ilanguage yokucomplain uyenze ibe ilanguage yokukhala isiZulu sithi ingane engakhali ifele embelekweni okusho ukuthi the moment you complain kuNkulunkulu you are silent but the moment you are crying kuNkulunkulu in other words uNkulunkulu akakunikeza attention nayi into phethe sesizoyidedela kuyo nayi uNkulunkulu more concerned about your life than his success because uma ngabe impilo yakho ngekho right success will kill you God knows that ngiyangasena mabulo yingakho alethe the season yokuthi manje kuthule empilweni yakho kanti kunabantu abasusayo kungcono uNkulunkulu alethe izinto unabantu abaright kunokuthi alethe izinto unabantu abarong wena se so ntasekhaya bengicela ungacomplain awukucheck abantu abanawe abangekho nawe awuzwe
let me just say this.
Okay.
There are two incidents in the Bible whereby Jesus had an opportunity to complain. God doesn't complain. Maybe there are even more. The time Lazarus afile. Jesus had that opportunity to complain to say, why is my friend dead? But simuzwa apho uNkulunkulu ukuthi inkosi ungizwa njalo. In a situation that was allowing him to complain. He decided to say, Lord, I thank you for you hear me whenever I pray. Number two, there was a situation in the Bible whereby there was just a few loaves and few fishes and there was a magnitude of people. He had the right to complain to say, Lord, there is no bakery here. Where am I gonna, what is it that I'm gonna feed these people? But rather, we hear his praying. The Bible says he took the bread and he broke it and he blessed it. Meaning say, he did not complain about the little that he had, but he became grateful of the little that he had. As a result, it multiplied. So when you become grateful of the little that you have, it makes God to multiply.
Hey.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay, ngicela sithinteni le ndaba le.